Politicians can make better decisions if they listen to the public opinion.
Portfolio is due to the Internal Review Office no later than Tuesday.
Professor Smith will be late for today's lecture.
Proteins constitute at least 30% of the total mass of all living organisms.
Quantitative and temporal parameters of food consumption were used.
Remember to sign the attendance registry before leaving the lecture hall.
Research has found that there is no correlation between diet and intelligence.
Residence Hall is closed prior to the academic building closing time at the end of this semester.
Robert Frost lived in rural areas in New England.
Robert would live in rural areas in London.
留洋英语
Rules about breaks and lunchtime vary from one company to next.
Several copies must be supplied to the university department to fulfill their requirement.
She doesn't care about anything but what is honest and true.
She doesn't pay much attention to how she dresses.
She feared becoming an object of ridicule.
You should raise your concern with the head of the school.
She has been in the library for a long time.
She is an expert of the 18th century French literature.
She is going for a master's degree in mathematics.
She told the faculty to be very supportive.
留洋英语
She was always here, but today she is missed.
Since the problems we face are global, we need to find the global solutions.
Some methods for clinical applications have been presented as well.
Spiritualism is defined as a system of belief or religious practice.
Sport is the main cause of traumatic brain injuries in the United States.
Storytelling is a common teaching technique in many countries.
Student discount cards can be used on campus in the coffee house.
Student loans are now available for international students.
Students are afraid of writing an essay because they have learned nothing about it.
Students are competing for every place in the computer courses.
留洋英语
Students are held accountable for adhering to established community standards.
Students are not allowed to take the journal out of the library.
Students can download the materials on the website.
Students can get access to computers on a daily basis.
Students can put their lectures on the website.
Students can share their foods at noon.
Students must observe lab safety regulations at all times.
Students need to finish their assignments during the next 4 weeks.
Students who selected 2 to 3 courses may need an extension.
Students who wish to apply for an extension should approach their tutors.
留洋英语
Students will not be given credits for assignment submitted after the due date.
Talented people do special marketing.
That country's economy is primarily based on tourism.
The agricultural sector in that country has heavily subsidized.
The aim of the work presented could be formulated as follows.
The application form is available in the office.
The application form must be submitted before the end of the term.
The author expressed an idea that modern readers cannot accept.
The books reserved in the library can be borrowed for up to 3 hours.
The bookshop is located to the north of main campus.
留洋英语